Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beenz token. Now the Beenz token just got a brand new central exchange listing today. This is a very popular token, has a huge market cap. Just today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $50 million. So we're going to go over the information on the Beenz token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. So starting today, January 18th at 10 a.m. UTC time, the Beenz token just got listed on xt.com or XT Exchange. So one way to get this token, if you're looking to get it, would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BEENZ, which is the name and the ticker symbol of the token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Beenz on Sol on X here, and it says the first digital currency ever made, now on Solana. And they have a contract address right there. They have a link to their webpage, beenzonsol.com. They just joined January 2025 on Twitter. Brand new project, 3,072 followers so far and 250 posts. So you can see that the contract address ends in pump because this token is on the Solana blockchain and was created on the webpage pump.fun, which is a website for creating Solana tokens. So if xt.com is not available in your country, or you just don't want to use a central exchange, you could also get this token here off of Raydium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address, you could find on their Twitter right there, or on their webpage, which is also right there, you would trade your Sol for the Beenz token. Now you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. And this token may also be available on other dexes like Meteora, Jupiter, Orca, etc. So they do have a how to buy section on their webpage too, in case you get stuck, you didn't understand how I explained it. So it says, welcome to Beenz, the retro token that's all about nostalgia, fun, and gains. Dive into the world where the past meets the future. Beenz brings back the joy of a simpler time, combined with the power of blockchain technology on Solana. Why choose Beenz? Well, no gimmicks, just fun, a community-driven token for those who love nostalgia and excitement. Powered by Solana, delivering lightning-fast transaction and low fees. Perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who loves a touch of retro magic in their crypto journey. What's next? Join the Beenz revolution, connect with like-minded community members, and get ready for an adventure packed with laughs, games, and profits. So it says here the tokenomics total supply is 1 billion Beenz, no burns, no locks, a pump and fun launch designed for maximum excitement, 100% community, fair distribution with a focus on user engagement and growth. It says join the community, be a part of the vibrant Beenz community on Twitter. Connect, share, and grow with like-minded individuals as we shape the future together. Now, in case you don't know the nostalgia part, the history of Beenz. Beenz was one of the pioneering online currencies launched in 1998 by Charles Cohen in London. It allowed consumers to earn Beenz by performing activities such as visiting websites, shopping online, or logging on through specific internet service providers. These Beenz could then be spent with participating online merchants, positioning Beenz as the web currency and a global acceptable alternative to traditional money. The company expanded rapidly, establishing offices in 15 countries, including the United States, Sweden, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Singapore, Australia, and China. And at its peak, the Beenz website was translated into several languages to cater to its diverse user base. Despite raising nearly $100 million from prominent investors like Oracle and Larry Ellison and Francois Pinault of PBR, Beenz faced significant challenges. Since launching a new currency is illegal in many countries, the company had to meet the finance ministers across Europe to assure them that Beenz would be categorized as virtual points. After the dot-com bubble burst, Beenz struggled to sustain its operations, and in 2001, the company was sold to the US-based Carlson Marketing Group. Eventually, the Beenz currency was discontinued, marking the end of one of the earliest attempts at a global online currency. So now we have Beenz, the crypto token, powered by Solana. There's a game called Flappy Beenz on the webpage that you could play there. But this token has a $15.6 million market cap. They've had over 80,923 transactions today. 24-hour trading volume is $49.6 million. And they have $815,000 worth of liquidity right now in Raydium. And token price is about 1.47 cents per token. So go check out Beenz. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.